Hi, my name is Jillian Hegel, and this is Module 1, How Students Learn Science. A little bit about me first. I teach first grade at Conestoga Valley School District. I am in a very special position. Conestoga Valley offers new moms and moms of young children the opportunity to go part-time. My co-teacher holds the contract, and this is our fourth year doing a job share. So she teaches in the morning, she teaches reading and starts writing, and in the afternoon I finish writing and teach science, social studies, and math. I live just outside of Millersville. I have a 1-year-old son, Clark, and I live with my husband, Ryan. I enjoy working on crafts in my free time, and my favorite candy bar has to be the Snickers with almonds in it. I really think that is awesome. How do students learn science? They learn through discussions that they have in the classroom, discussions that they have outside of the classroom. They learn from the world around them. They learn through hands-on experiences and experiments, and they can learn through self-assessment and observations of the world around them. Some barriers that were brought up in our reading and that I have experienced in my teaching career has been students with strong misconceptions about the science that they are learning and difficulty moving forward in their learning. Some students' lack of experience in particular sciences and the areas that we are learning about, and not having that base knowledge of what to build upon. Language could also be a barrier to learning science because the meanings can be misconstrued between various languages. Some things can be too wordy and may not translate well for that ESL student that we have. Science in my classroom typically looks like this. We have discussions about the students' beliefs about the topic we are discussing or any misconceptions as a group. In first grade, it's very basic when we are talking about these things. Some of the things that we talk about in first grade are plants and animals, landforms, conservation, and matter. We do hands-on activities and guided inquiries. I do have formative assessments throughout the unit and summative assessments, and I also do some self-assessments at the end of the lesson and see if the students are able to demonstrate their understanding of the topic that we are talking about. My STEM perspective is I believe that STEM plays an integral role in all subject areas, not only the science, mathematics, technology, and engineering areas. Those things can be used to solve a problem in any subject area: reading, writing, science, math, and all of the STEM basic subjects. That way you can solve one centralized problem. So it can be used all over in all content areas. So that was my take on Module 1. And I look forward to working with everybody and learning more about science curriculum and how STEM can affect the science curriculum.